Adapt solid mounted triple clamp bar mounts from 7/8 to 1-1/8 and adds a 3/4 rise. Universal solid mount kit. This item fits the following vehicle applications. Compatible with Honda CRF50F 2011-2013. Compatible with Honda CRF50F 2004-2009. Compatible with Honda XR50R 2000-2003. Compatible with Kawasaki KLX110, 2002, 2009. Compatible with Suzuki DR-Z110, 2003, 2005. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for what I needed. I switched from 2-inch risers to install a RAM ball for GoPro, GPS, etc. These are solid, well made and attractive. It was a bit of a disappointment switching from the 2-inch risers, but these are better made and have less points of potential failure. I think I just need to get used to them, that's all.